What if I told you that you can make money online without creating a product, without owning inventory, and without customer support stress? You simply recommend a product, and when someone buys, you get paid. Let me say something that might shock you. Some of the people making serious money online do not have products. They are not manufacturers. They are not warehouse owners. They don't even deal with customer complaints. Yet they are earning. How? Through affiliate marketing. If you have ever shared a product with someone and told them this thing works, you already did affiliate marketing. The only difference is this: online, you get paid for it. Today, I will break it down in the simplest way possible. Not hype, not motivation, real strategy. So if you are serious about building income online, watch this video to the end. If you missed part 1 where we talked about freelancing, go watch it after this. Let me ask you something honestly. How many times have you recommended something to someone? A phone, a restaurant, a business opportunity, a YouTube channel, and you didn't get paid for it. Now imagine getting paid every time someone takes your recommendation seriously and acts on it. That is affiliate marketing. Just structured recommendation with commission attached. Many people are talking about affiliate marketing, but very few are explaining it properly. If you watch this to the end, you won't just understand affiliate marketing. You will also understand how to approach it correctly. What exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply you promote other people's products. When someone buys through your special link, you earn a commission. That's it. Let me give you a real-life example. If you recommend a good restaurant to your friend and the restaurant pays you for bringing that customer, that is affiliate marketing. Let me simplify it even more. Imagine your friend owns a shop. He tells you, anybody you bring to buy from me, I'll give you 5,000. You go and tell 10 people, 3 people buy. You just made 15,000. That is affiliate marketing, but now done online. Instead of physical shops, we have digital platforms. Online works the same way. You are like a digital middleman. Where can you do affiliate marketing? If you're in Nigeria or Africa, you can use platforms like Expertnaire, Thinkspire, Learnoflix, StakeCut, Sellar. If you want international platforms, Amazon Associates, ClickBank, CJ Affiliate. These platforms allow you to promote digital or physical products and earn commissions. How affiliate marketing works? Step by step. Step 1. You join an affiliate marketing platform by signing up with one of the already mentioned affiliate platforms. Step 2. You get your unique affiliate link. Step 3. You promote the product and share the link. Step 4. When someone buys, you earn commission. Simple but powerful. Where do you get buyers? To get buyers, you must adopt what I call a traffic strategy. You don't need a website at the beginning. Start with social media. Use Facebook content, WhatsApp status, TikTok short videos, YouTube videos. Post valuable content consistently because consistency is key. Post 3 to 5 times weekly. Speak clearly, solve problems, answer questions. Visibility builds familiarity. Familiarity builds trust. Trust builds sales. The more people trust your voice, the more they buy. Understand this, affiliate marketing is not about posting links. It is about positioning. How do you get people to buy? I have told you where to get buyers. Now let me show you how to get people to buy from you. This is where most beginners fail. They just drop links everywhere. That does not work. Instead, you must build trust, provide value, solve problems, then recommend the product. For example, if you discover that some people are struggling to make money online, you create content teaching them tips, then you recommend a course that goes deeper. That is smart affiliate marketing. A simple beginner strategy. If you are starting from zero, do this. Step 1, pick one problem, for example, making money online. Step 2, pick one product on Thinkspire or Expertnaire or any other affiliate platforms of your choice. Step 3, start creating content around the product you have chosen on Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok, YouTube. Talk about the problem. Share insights. Build authority. After gaining their trust, you can then softly recommend the product. Consistency beats hype. In summary, Pick one problem. Pick one product. Create content consistently. Build trust. Then recommend. Consistency beats hype. I've said it before and I'll keep saying it. Because consistency is the real power in the online space. Let me tell you common mistakes you must avoid. Number one, promoting too many products at once. Number two, promoting what you don't understand. Number three, spamming links. Number four, expecting instant results. Affiliate marketing is a business. Treat it like one. Affiliate marketing has changed many lives. But the difference between those who succeed and those who fail is simple. Consistency, learning, action. You don't need money to start. You need information. You need commitment. About 3 years ago, I met a young man. Let's call him Daniel. Daniel was frustrated. He had tried several online businesses. He paid for one program. Nothing worked. He joined another. No result. He even tried crypto at the wrong time. Lost money. One day he told me, I don't even want to hear about online business again. It's all hype. And I asked him one simple question. Have you ever recommended something to someone before? He said yes. I said, did you get paid for it? He laughed and said no. That was the problem. He had been recommending things all his life for free. Restaurants, phones, business ideas, books, but he never got paid. That is when I introduced him to affiliate marketing. Not hype, not magic, just a system. Today, Daniel makes consistent monthly income, not millions yet, but steady income. And that changed his confidence. Why most people fail in affiliate marketing is they lack a long-term strategy. Asha signed up with an affiliate marketing platform, but he made the same mistake that most people make. He copied his link and started posting. Buy this powerful course now by clicking on the link below. No context, no story, no value, no positioning. Zero sales because no one was buying. After 2 weeks, he wanted to quit. And this is where most people fail. Affiliate marketing is not about dropping links. It is about influence. Let me repeat that. Affiliate marketing is influence building. If people trust you, they buy from you. If they don't, they scroll past you. Simple. Back to the story. I told Asha, stop trying to sell, start trying to help. He chose one niche, helping beginners understand how online income works. He started posting 3 mistakes beginners make online. Why jumping from one opportunity to another keeps you broke? Skill first, income later. No links at first, just value. People began engaging. People began messaging him privately. After 2 weeks, someone asked, do you know any legit program I can start with? That was when he sent his affiliate link. That was his first 25,000 naira commission. Not luck, positioning. Let's break this down properly. Affiliate marketing is a traffic and trust business. You do 3 things. 1, choose a niche. 2, build trust in that niche. 3, recommend relevant solutions. That's it. You're not pestering people to buy. You are guiding them to solutions. That is ethical affiliate marketing. Now let me tell you about Grace. Grace was a mother of 2. Salary was unstable, school fees rising, cost of food increasing. Every month felt like survival. She heard about affiliate marketing, but ignored it. She thought it's scam. It's too technical. It's for young people. One day her child was sent home from school because fees were incomplete. That moment broke her. She decided to try. She joined an affiliate platform, but fear held her back. Fear of judgment, fear of what people would say, fear of looking desperate. So she posted once, disappeared for days, posted again, stopped again, 0 sales. After 1 month, she almost quit. She called me and said, I'm quitting. I asked her one question. Are you building quietly or hiding? Then she changed approach. Instead of acting like an expert, she started documenting her journey. She posted, learning a new income skill. If one salary is not enough, read this. Trying something different this year. After some time, other women connected with her. Not because she was rich, but because she was relatable. Her first sale came from another struggling mother. The commission was small, but belief was big. Within 3 months, she had a consistent monthly income. Not overnight success, but steady growth. Lessons from these stories. From Daniel, Asha, and Grace, learn this. 1. Pick one niche. 2. Focus on helping. 3. Build trust. 4. Be consistent. 5. Don't quit too early. Affiliate marketing punishes impatience, but rewards persistence. Let me be honest. Your first month may bring 0 sales. It's normal. Second month, maybe 1 sale. But if you stay consistent for 6 months, your confidence, content quality, and authority improve. Affiliate marketing is like farming. Plant, water, wait, harvest. Quitters never harvest. Listen, stop asking, how fast can I make money? Start asking, how can I build influence? This is the game changer. Understand this, money follows influence. Affiliate marketing is not gambling, it is positioning. If 100 people trust you deeply, you can earn consistently. Someone may ask, how much can I make? Well, it all depends on the product. Some programs pay 5,000 per sale, 20,000 per sale, even 100,000 per sale for high-ticket products. If you make just 1 sale per day at 20,000, that is 600,000 per month. Trust me, some people are making much more than that. But remember, it's not magic. It requires strategy. Now think about this. If you can earn commissions promoting other people's products, what happens when you create your own? What happens when affiliates promote for you? That is the next level. In part 3, I will show you how to create and sell your own digital product, even if you're not a tech expert. That is where control increases. That is where profit margins expand. You don't want to miss that. If this video gave you clarity, like this video and comment consistency wins. Affiliate marketing works, but only for those who stay long enough. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now. We are not chasing hype. We are building systems. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.